Welcome to my YouTube channel, Stars. Here is Tanya Singla. Today's topic of discussion is packaging. In previous video, we have studied about what is branding. Now we will study about packaging. The package of the product is another important mean of product identification. The importance of packaging is increasing continuously. The sale is increased through attractive packaging. Traditionally, a function of packaging was to protect the product, but nowadays packaging has become a promotional tool and a major image builder, contributing to the success of the product. As we can see, a package may be a specially designed wrapper, box, carton, can, crate, bottle, jar, tube, drum for convenient distribution. All these are source of packaging. If you didn't yet subscribe my channel, so please do it fast and like my videos. What are all these? These all are the type of packaging. As you can see, this is an ad tray. We have another type of packaging, like we have bottle packaging and a perfume packaging, a burger packaging, a shoe package, shirt package, milk package. All are this type of packaging. This is all about package and packaging. Now we will study objective and function of packaging. They both are similar, but if we have a caution about write objective and function, we have to write the same point, but in objective and functions differently. First of all, protection. The first objective and first function of packaging is to protect. The primary objective of packaging is to protection of product or its content. It is the package that keeps the content fresh, clean, unspoiled by using moisture-proof, burning-proof, and damage-resistant metal. Now, our second objective and second function of packaging is identification. After protection, identification of the product is another objective of packaging. Next to branding, packaging is another easy and convenient method to identify the product of different manufacturers. It is obvious that the package of a product is very much different from another. Convenience. Another objective of packaging is to provide maximum convenience to the manufacturer, middleman, and the consumer. Promotion. Product package is a powerful promotional tool. Package feature communicate the product message and motivate the consumer to buy the product. Attraction. Now we have attraction. Our fifth point, or we can say fifth objective and function of packaging. Attraction. The objective of packaging. The objective of packaging is to increase the attraction of the product. Nowadays, the main function of every packaging is to attract the consumer toward the product concerned. Now, economy. Nowadays, most of the package provide economic use of product. The consumer can exert only that much quantity which is to be used at a time, and thus wastage can be avoided. Moreover, an economic package of consumable products are available in the market which save money. Now we have our next point, reputation. Packaging strategy affect the reputation of the product, and the produced package to looks like a fast seller. Majority of the manufacturer now pay much attention toward the package of the product. Now we have another functions of packaging is easy product mix. It is true that product mix relate to the product line and the assurance of size, color, measure, grades, package type, etc. Change in product mix can be possible as packaging is to influence weight, size, and dimension of the product. Now, profit. Packaging also performs the profit function, possibility of earning more and increase if the packaging of a product is good, as a high price can be realized for the product of superior packaging. Now, that is why we can say it is a source of profit. Communication. Package perform the communication function by becoming an important agent of the component of the communication mix, namely advertising and sale promotion. This is all are the objective and function of packaging. Now we will study classification of packaging. We have classified the packaging in different ways. which we will study now. First of all, we have consumer packaging. Classified their packaging according to the need of their end seller, buyer. First of all, we have consumer packaging. We will do consumer packaging. A consumer packaging is one which holds the required volume of a product needed for ultimate consumption and is within the mean of buying and household. Consumer packaging is that packaging which we use by us. We can see the example of Lay's. This is a consumer packaging. Now we have transit packaging. Transit packaging is done in the big container of boxes. Family packaging. Family packaging we can see in the time of festivals. Many organization companies make family packaging in which they have their brand of many types products in a single box. Now product line packaging. Product line packaging we have. Product line packaging में हम बात करेंगे when an industrial house deal in different product line, then it use the product line packaging policy. Like a single organization is producing television, mobile phone, and etc. etc. At that time they used to make product line packaging. Multiple packaging. Multiple packaging mean tennis ball, hanky, waistband, rifle, socks, safety pin, etc. etc. have multiple packaging. Now reuse packaging. We can see the example of Coca-Cola bottles, which are further used for drinking simple water by filling them. Disposable packaging. Nowadays, due to eco-friendly environment, many organizations used to make disposable packaging which can be disposed of easily. They used to do package of paper wood, etc. Industrial packaging. Industrial packaging is done when the product is sent to the industry. At that time, the packaging is done in a big container and at large level. This is known as industrial packaging. This is all about the packaging. Thanks for watching video. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel.